Frozen Airlines. Frozen excrement dropped from plane crashes through house roof.
Well, that's a really crappy day.
Oh, that's a real crappy day, really. Here we go. I'm telling you, this crap chat thing could work. This app we talked about. God. Hello, is this Allstate? Yeah, I just had some SHIT come to the roof. Excuse me, sir? No, I'm telling you, man, this big poop. Okay.
This big stool sample came
Yeah.
right through my attic into my living room.
Yep.
Oh my Lord.
I'd like to know how does the airline pay for that? We're sorry that the pilot took a dump on your house. We're so sorry. God.
Then you have to figure out which plane did it.
Yeah, really.
And I don't even think they would be able to tell which one.
Well,
did.
nowadays, who knows if the poop is somehow tagged once it goes through the toilet, so they can track it. Oh,
That's what I
God.
don't get. Okay, on the airplane, there's a little door. They're supposed to close before the airplane leaves the ground. So that stuff doesn't come out. Now, what if the guy who had the poop door responsibility for the day also had the responsibility of making sure the damn airplane was filled with gas before it got off the
Yeah,
ground?
really. Look at Kenny's comments. Perfect. See what he said? Did it hit the fan? so that's where that term comes from. The bleep hit the fan from Delta. I'm just kidding, Delta. I'm just kidding. I don't know who it was. Maybe it was, Oh, God. You're in good hands with Allstate. Ooh.
They can't get your luggage there with you, but they can drop a turd through you.
No.
Wow.
Oh, God.
Side covered that.
Okay, that's. Oh, man. Let's see if I could top that. Probably not.